Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Welcome back to another video of the week, and if you are new here, welcome. In today's video, I will do a review of the Lady Dior bag in size medium with pros and cons and also what would fit inside it too. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Now let's get started. This is Lady Dior bag in size medium. It has beautiful shiny gold hardware with two handles and a detachable strap. It has iconic canard stitching patterns in a beautiful pink. It does come with 4 feet in the bottom and very structured shape with the A-line shape on the side. This medium Lady Dior is older version, so it doesn't come with the adjustable strap, just a detachable strap, and it's short. This is a very iconic classic bag from Dior. It will definitely stay in fashion for a long time. I don't think this will be outdated anytime soon because it's been around for more than 20 years already. Although it's small, it holds a lot. The lambskin is so luxurious. Look how beautiful. I love it. I love the shape, the iconic look of it. Although the shape is very structured, but it doesn't look bulky at all. This size is just perfect in this shape. It can be carried on crook of your arm, which I usually do, or just handheld. And it does come with a strap, so you can carry it on your shoulder as well. You can also transfer this bag from day to night because you can carry this bag on your shoulder during the day. And if you want more of the elegant look, then carry it on crook of your arm. And it does elevate your outfit a lot. So this bag is very versatile in my opinion because it is so chic and modern. If you wear it on your shoulder with a pair of jeans or shorts, and it would look very sophisticated, very classic on the crook of your arm with any dresses. However, this bag does come with some cons. That is a zipper. You can look at the opening here. It has a zipper closure. Sometimes it is a challenge to get things in and out in a hurry. If you are carefully enough to open this bag, then there's no problem. But if you try to get something out in a hurry, then the opening may get on your way. Like if you're wearing, be careful because the bag may get scratched. But this bag is in lambskin, so over time it's loosened. So it's easier to open and put things in and get things out. You can take that as a consideration when purchasing this bag. And another thing is the value of this bag. For the Dior handbags, they don't hold the value. I would recommend you to go to pre-loved market to get something like this for better price. Of course, it depends on the condition of the bag too, but to buy it from boutique is much higher. With Dior, their service is amazing. So you can get things replaced like the hardware or the strap. So if you can get a good deal on the bag from the pre-loved market and take to the Dior, then you're gonna have great piece with better price. Another thing to get into consideration is the scratches. Look at how beautiful the iconic charm. It does get scratched easily. Even if you buy the bag new from the boutique, the scratches will be easily shown because it's dangling and because it's shiny hardware, you will see the scratches. But I don't mind because, you know, you don't really look very close. And for this lambskin, you may get scratches, but for me, after at least 4 years, this bag still looks amazing. Excellent condition. No show of wear and tear, even in the corners. Let me show you what would fit inside this bag. Now I have everything inside the bag already. I'm gonna show you when I take it out one by one. When I open it, I try to open both sides of the zipper so you can see in here. I didn't fill this bag all the way because it would be harder to get things in and out, especially when it's deep, when the opening is so tight. It has the beige color interior in fabric with one zipper pocket. So I had my kirigami pochette, which holds every little things that I want to take with me. This is the card holder, which I use as a small wallet. I have my sunglasses in the soft case. I have the kirigami pochette for my card holder. I have a hand sanitizer. It's a must during this pandemic. I have my 6 key holder, and that is all I had in this bag. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this bag is made in Italy. If you want to use a full-size wallet, you can do that too. I'm gonna try to put this wallet in here so you can see with the kirigami pochette, the 6 key holder, sunglasses, hand sanitizer, card holder, you can see here it does fit everything. Although it does fit anything, but I don't recommend you to overstuff in here because it is harder for you to get little things out. You have to dig in to get things from the bottom, and also it just dark in here, so it's harder for you to see. You know, like you have to really open all the way to dig into the bottom. And another thing is you have to be careful with the zipper here. So I don't really recommend you to use any lambskin pieces. It may get scratches when you get it in and out. Like instead of the mini pochette, I would use something like this. So it's the canvas is more durable, or something in caviar, so it won't get scratches easily with the zipper here. And also with anything that has print on it, it may get scratches. Take that into your consideration when purchasing this bag. If you have something in patent leather, these types of leather and canvas is very durable, so you don't have to worry. But I wouldn't use a full-size wallet in this bag either. So I think I would only use this instead of the mini pochette, because the mini pochette has a zipper and the chain will be on the way when you get in and out of this opening. So these are the pieces that I may have it with me when I use this bag. So remember, either caviar, canvas, and without print. But if you are careful enough, you don't have to worry about all of these. But for me, as a peace of mind, try to avoid these. This Lady Dior bag has been in my collection for more than 4 years now. And every time I look at it, I think about Princess Diana holding it because it's so classic and it's so elegant. It's very ladylike, especially when you carry it on crook of your arm. At the time I purchased this bag, I was undecided between the size medium and small. There's no pink in small size at that time. I wanted a bag in pink, just a pop of color for my collection. So I decided to go with this pink. And because of the strap, although this is not adjustable, but it's short, so it is perfect for my height. I'm only 5'1" for preference. And the small size, it comes with longer strap. You can carry it as a crossbody bag, but not with this one. Strap is short, so you can only wear it on your shoulder or leave it dangling like this when you wear it on crook of your arm. I tried to wear it crossbody and it doesn't look right. So for the shape and the size, I think it looked best on your shoulder. Because I just got the red Chanel in patent leather at that time, so I decided to go with the lambskin to see the difference in the leather, how I can carry it over time, and I think it is very durable. After 4 years, the puffiness still very soft to touch, no scratches shown here. Excellent condition. I really appreciate the 4 feet in the bottom. That's why if you look at the bottom here, you don't see any scratches. This is a timeless piece. It doesn't matter how much time passes, this iconic bag definitely will stay in fashion for years to come. Look at the shape. Also, it has a history behind it. That is why I purchased this bag. It has interesting features as well. If you pay attention, you will see a lot of ovals in this bag. You can see the O with the oval shape from the charm here. You can see the loop here in the O shape. You can see the link here in the O shape. And the hook here on the O shape. Also, the medallion from the pull tab here in the O shape. And very special thing is here. Can you see C and D cushion Dior from the handle? If you open it like this, very interesting, right? Christian Dior created this Lady Dior bag in 1994, and this bag was named Shoo Shoo. But after 2 years, in 1996, it was changed to Lady Dior because this bag was given to Princess Diana by First Lady of France. Since then, Princess Diana carried this bag everywhere with her and was photographed in many occasions. So this bag became so popular. And that is how Lady Dior was named for this bag. I highly recommend this bag for your collection because it is one of the classic handbags out there. It will definitely stay in fashion for years to come. I think you can pass it down to the next generation and it will still look very classic, never outdated, especially with some bag that has beautiful history behind it. This bag does hold a lot, so if you want to use this bag during the day, it can hold everything you need for the day, and then you can transfer it to the evening bag in a constant. If you are not the type person that carry a lot of things with you all the time, so you can go with the mini or the micro. Dior has 5 different sizes: micro, mini, small, medium, and large. I think this is most popular for me, in my opinion. I love this size the most. That's why I decided to go with this one. And it looks very feminine, very sophisticated with any dresses. But if you wear it with jeans and t-shirt or short, then it does look really chic and modern too. If you care about the zip closure, then you can get another version. Dior does have different version with different type leather, straps, and also the flap opening. So you don't have to worry about the zipper part right here. I highly recommend this Lady Dior for your collection in size medium. But it is your choice to buy what you want with consideration for the peace of mind. Try to buy anything would fit in your lifestyle and your wardrobe. I hope this video is helpful and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram to get in touch more often. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye now.